Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get 1 month free trial on Skillshare. Now, this is actually fairly easy. Like, all you have to do is go to the Google right here, and once you go to the Google here, you can just type in 1 month Skillshare. And then as you can see, you can go here and you can scroll down until you see get 1 month free from Skillshare. You'll go to this website right here, and as you can see, you can get 1 month for free. This is a free trial, completely free. You will need to obviously get and add a card in order to get a membership, but basically you can get a free trial by just logging in here and continuing with Google. Obviously this is for people that just started out and that just want to go and start with 1 month free trial on Skillshare. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, you will go here, and then if you want, you can go to the team plans and get started with team plans right now. But obviously this is if you want to go, you know, full on, and that's like $160 per year for teams. However, yeah, you can get a 1 year free trial. You just have to sign up with a free account and with a new account. So it does not have to be so yeah, it must not be your already existing account. It should be a new one. So yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.